Hey guys, me again, Becky on another YouTube video, and today's video I'm gonna unbox and review the Polar Express on DVD. It's from Tom Hanks, Journey Beyond Your Imagination. Here's the front, the spine. It's from Castle Rock and Warner Brothers, and the back. I've seen this movie twice. SU contains mold pearl, universal, suitable for all. It's running time for 96 minutes. Here's the disc with the little boy, the train, the trees, houses, and the snowball. Mint. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Please comment, like, and subscribe with the bell icon just so you don't miss out any new videos that are released. All I said, see you later. Bye. And don't forget to follow my social medias.